Hello, this is Black Puffle Extreme, and I'm here with my Dance Dance Revolution thing.
Yeah, we were playing
I'm here
DDR.
for some.
It was great.
Hey, how's it going? Hey.
Is that the same camera from?
Yeah, you are now being filmed live across YouTube on my channel, Black Puffle Extreme 1. These are my two cousins, Megan and Ellie. They came all the way up from Florida. So how's it feel to be up here?
Cold. Feels cold and great. Good.
Yeah.
So where is Chris?
Yeah.
It's an interesting question.
Yeah.
DDR. What kind of stuff can you show us on DDR?
Wait. What, you mean on that? You mean Dance Dance? It's got like different kinds of songs that...
I played earlier,
It wasn't just.
and I got, my rating was failed.
Oh, well that usually happens with beginners, I know. The first time Stars Guy tried it, which was like on New Year's Eve, he also got many failures also, I know.
I'm not the only one.
Wolfgang.
We received money.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, peace out, YouTube. Y'all subscribe now, yep. Would you like to say goodbye to my viewers and subscribers? Yeah.
Hasta la vista, baby!
Yeah. See ya. I don't have my Puffle with me right now, so I'm just gonna say goodbye right now. See ya.